So here is our that shoe section. Look how much variety they have. So much shoes, and not even female. They also have some male shoes. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्यारे प्यारे शूज हैं. ये बॉक्सेस भी, और यहाँ पे स्लीपर्स भी हैं. बहुत ही प्यारी कार्टून वाली फ्रोजन सोफिया. And they have some women's shoes also. Slippers, I like this brown one, also the red one. So this is the girls jewelry section where is all the accessories and jewelry. So I'm going to look for some hairbands. Look, here are they, the big ones, blue and red. And these are all the accessories. यहाँ पे इतने प्यारे प्यारे बोज भी पड़े हुए हैं, नेकलेसेस, और ये क्लिप्स हैं बहुत सारे. So much clips, ponies, rubber bands, scrunchies also they have in cute designs. Even they have some charms, necklaces. Look, there are the bow clutchers. Also we have some purses for girls, some bangles, और हाँ वहाँ चूड़ियाँ भी हैं. यहाँ पे क्लिप्स और हेयर बैंड्स वगैरह पड़े हैं. ये ज़्यादा क्लिप्स हैं, कैचर हैं. और ये है उनका क्लोथ सेक्शन. यहाँ पे इतनी प्यारी ड्रेस है. ये कुर्तियाँ हैं इधर, और ये इधर बेबी शार्क वाली ड्रेस है किड्स के लिए स्पेशली. एंड वन मोर, दिस वन इज़ माई फेवरेट. दिस वन आई लाइक, but this is not my size, otherwise I would buy it. So now I'm going down. So sorry, it's so shaky right there. Okay, so at down section we have just the department, all groceries and all, also candy. Sorry for my sister, it was my sister. There are some chips. This first aisle is the baking section, and here also the other groceries. Here's chips and also chocolate is, look at this, Eclairs chocolate. I love this one, but I already had it at home. Oh, cold drinks, these are biscuits, and here's some more candy. Kinder Joys also, they have a lot. So now I'm here to buy. This is the grocery area department where we can find all groceries. So first on my list is Q-tips and also toothpicks, because these are also necessary. So I'm going to buy the big ones, big toothpicks. So I have to add them into my cart now. You don't know how much I love to hold cart and carry it along. Okay, so next thing on my list is these tissue papers, tissue rolls. Then I have to buy, my mom said, so I'm going to buy 5 of these rolls because my mom said it, of course. Oh, I dropped accidentally. Okay, so this is the last one. And then we also have to buy Scotch Brite. तो स्कॉच ब्राइट बर्तन धोने के काम आते हैं, तो काम मेरा ही होता है घर पे बर्तन धोने का, तो इसलिए मुझे स्कॉच ब्राइट भी लेने थे ज़रूरी. और and there's also some okay, here's a big section of Scotch Brites also. And now I'm going to buy some. Here are all the mayonnaise, also pasta and noodles. The noodles are very up, so I couldn't shoot them because there was also some people around me, that's why. So there are these washing powders I bought. So I'm just putting some noodles into my basket because I have to keep 15 in it, so that's why I can't shoot it properly. And now we have also the mayonnaise also. So I told my mom to buy this chicken spread also, which was around 75 rupees. Look how, means not too much big or not too much small, but it's very affordable. And we also have to buy something else. Here's my brother laying around with basket because he couldn't find anything. Okay, so I'm just calling my mom to. Okay, so we have to. My mom said me to buy these Nestle Everyday milk powders, 5 of these. So I have to cut them, and then we are here at the ketchup section, ketchup and the sauces. So we also have to buy those. So my mom said that we have to buy tomato ketchup also, and also chili garlic sauce, because tomato is my brother's favorite and chili garlic is my favorite and mom's also. So we have buy both of each, and this big pack was about 80 rupees. Look how cheap is these things here. Because of Eid, they have given some discount. Here are all the spices, and here are all the all necessary groceries, which are like I have to buy this. I was asking my mom about this masala. और हाँ, यहाँ दालें वगैरह भी मिलती है, आटे वगैरह, तो ये वही चीज़ें हैं. यहाँ पे पिस्ता मिल रहा है, पिस्ता वगैरह है. ये मसाले सारे नेशनल के, these are national masalas. Also this chapli kebab and shami kebab also. Okay, so this is the all baking stuff. There are cocoa powder, also paprika powder, but I have already bought these last time, so that's why I was looking for icing sugar. Look, I have kept it now in my basket. Here's my dad. He was waiting for us, that we have to do hurry and we have to go to our city again, because we were just here to buy. And here was also, I was finding some sprinkles, because on Eid I will make donuts for my cousins. That's why I need sprinkles. So this time I'm buying ball sprinkles, and now I have to buy any essence, I guess, if there's any new essence, but I'm not finding any because these are all vanilla, and my father was waiting for us outside, so I don't wanted to wait him for a long time, so that's why I'm just looking, and so I couldn't find any, so I will not buy any essence from here. And then I was looking for some spices. No, not rosemary leaves. Okay, I have found that white pepper. Okay, white pepper I have found the bottle of it, and now I have also bought that, and now I just have to buy pink food color, I guess. So now I'm going to my section. We are going to check out now.